Right here, I have the perfect kit that you're looking for. What's up, guys? My name is TJ, and today I'm going to be reviewing this two-piece outfit with the sweatpants, sweatshirt. This feels absolutely amazing, and I'm going to tell you all about it in this video. Now, I ended up getting the clear blue color, and I think it looks amazing. They have a bunch of different colors, so make sure you check all those out. I personally like the brown as well. Now, I'm 5'11", 150 pounds, ended up getting the size medium, and I do think that it fits me absolutely great. Now, as you can see here, you're going to have a little bit of roll up here on the bottom, and I do think that provides such a nice style. This is really cool because it's 100% cotton, but it also has an odor-free technology and moisture wicking on the inside of the fabric. So you can see the inside of the fabric definitely looks a little bit different than the outside, and that definitely just makes it really comfortable, and it's going to keep you cool in it. Now, this two-piece kit is actually going to feature a double stitch on here, which is going to make it super durable. So you know it's going to last a long time, and it's going to really hold up. This is high quality fabric and just looks absolutely amazing. This is definitely something that I'd be wearing on vacation, taken with me. I'd actually wear this on the airport traveling because it's so comfy. It's almost like pajamas, but it looks so like business casual. You can wear this dressed up, or you can wear this kind of dressed down. I think you could wear nice shoes with it. You could wear slides with it. You could wear tennis shoes if you want, because there's so many different ways that you can wear this. Now, let's go ahead and take a closer look. On the top of the sleeve here, we're going to see that we have a little bit of roll up on the arm as well. So that's going to match the theme of the bottom of the shirt. And you're going to have a really nice collar on here, nice stretchy material. This fabric just performs so well, and it looks very, very nice. It's nice too because all you gotta do is wash this in cold water. I like to hang dry this, but you can also dry it on low, like cool air, just to keep it really nice. Now we're gonna have a nice waistband as well. So this is gonna be a drawstring. It's gonna match. We're gonna have metal on the end, so it's gonna look really high quality and premium. You can leave this down if you'd like. These strings do hang pretty low, so sometimes that is my style. I think if you are trying to do this a little bit more of a dressed up look, I'd probably just tie that up just so it would be a little bit hidden under the shirt. But if you're looking for that casual look, all you got to do is just let that overhang, and it's going to give you a lot of style. Now, these shorts are really comfortable. They do come a little bit below my knees, I would say, just like kind of right on top of them. We do have two pockets, one on each side in the front. They are deep, and they're going to be lined with the same material on the outside, so I feel like that pocket's going to be durable. I got tons of shorts where the pockets will rip on the inside, but with all this being double seamed, you're not going to have to worry about that. Now, overall, I'm super happy with this kit, and I would definitely use this for hiking, vacation, basketball, hanging out with friends and family, maybe going to a banquet, a party, or maybe even just taking a day relaxing at home. I'm going to be super comfortable in this. There's so many different colors to choose from. So if you guys want to pick up one of these kits for yourself, I'm going to drop a link down below. Make sure you check out all the other colors they have. They got tons of awesome premium clothes on their website. I highly recommend this. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.